Okay, here you go.
I'm scared.
You have no clue what it is.
I don't know what it is. I couldn't open it nicely. Oh, wait. Never mind. Oh, I think it's a, look at the, what is this? I don't know what it is. Is it a flash drive thing you told me about?
So basically, we're gonna put this inside your laptop and take the old one out so that it actually works.
I don't know what this is for.
It's called a solid state drive. Three, two, one. So it took about 3 minutes and 15 seconds for the entire computer to boot up and to be able to use Google Chrome. Sure, there was a few like, oh, we opened Google Chrome like 2 or 3 times, or not, the whole boot process wasn't simplified, but overall it's still longer than 2-3 minutes. So the goal of the SSD is maybe we can drop it down to under a minute to be able to fully use it, be able to open Google Chrome and not hate yourself while using the computer. Moment of truth. We'll see if I broke it.
With a passively cooled HD-Plex power supply, and we wanted to save as much of our power budget as possible.
It turns on. No bootable system. Awesome, which makes sense.
We figured chances are anything more powerful would have thermal throttled.
Yeah.
It seems like everything will.
There we go. It is detected. 500 gigabyte SSD 860 EVO. Alright. Alright, so we finished installing everything, and now we're going to see exactly how long it takes to boot up, fully load, and launch Google Chrome. So the original boot up time was 3 minutes and 15 seconds. So we'll see this time if we're able to get any better than that. So reset. 3, 2, 1.